from the heart to start giving it what it takes. It's more stiffs, original raps, they own breaks. Through this long road, a lot of people lost faith. Couldn't see success in us with our own space and time. I try to tell them you gotta get through the fakes and just live with this gift and the stress that life creates. When we making it harder but easier to make mistakes, innovate through your mind and find a way to escape. I'm bumping tapes that most like to criticize and hate. Then I stay, don't trip, you just simply can't relate now. Everybody's busy trying to reach number one, but ain't nobody ever trying to get shit done. They on the run, it's where they living farthest from a victim. Trying to fight the law, not knowing they working with them. Along with the system, there's a million or more. Cause if you really wanna change, you gotta find time to grow.
Hey, on my P's and Q's, always making music, always with determination running through my blood. And you can see it in my eyes when you face me. Music's what I'm here for, therefore you can't erase me off the rap scene, cause me and my partners is true to it. At least we try, because life will have it sidetracked on some bullshit. I wouldn't lie to you, I wouldn't steal your